Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you my go-to everyday makeup look. I've been doing this look every single day, so I wanted to share with you guys the products and how I create this look. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve this everyday look, then keep on watching. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. First things first, we're going to start off with the primer. I'm going to be using the Beca filter primer. I'm obsessed with this primer. This is like my go-to. Next, I'm going to go into my Professional primer, and this is for my pores, of course, and I'm just going to apply that right there by my nose area. That's where my larger pores are. Then I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty foundation, my obsession. I use this foundation like every single day ever since I bought it. I love it. Next, I'm going to go in with my Colorpop QAF palette, and I'm going to take this light shade just to set my eyelids, just prepping it for my eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to go in with this a light brown shade, well, more like an orangey shade, and I'm going to use this to put all over my eye, and this is like the only shadow I'm going to put on my eyelids. Like, this is like basically my go-to look. It's just one single shadow. I love to put this all over the eye. And yeah, that's basically all I do for my eye look. Next, I'm going to go back into the white shade and just put that on my brow bone just to highlight. Next, I'm going to go in with my Camouflage Concealer, and I'm going to apply this very little because it's a very full coverage concealer and you definitely don't want to apply too much of this. Next, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Powder, and this is in the shade Banana, and I'm just going to use it to set my under eyes. Next, I'm going to go back into the Colorpop palette, and I'm going to use the same shade that I use for my eyelids and just put it under my waterline to complete the whole look. Then I'm going to grab the gold shimmer shade, and I'm just going to use that just to highlight the inner tear duct, just to give it an extra glow. Next, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild mascara, and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild highlighter, and I'm just going to apply that right on the brow bone. Next is the bronzer. This is the Neutrogena number 30 bronzer, my favorite bronzer, of course. Now it's time to highlight, and I'm going to highlight my highest points of my face, and yeah, that's basically going to complete the face makeup. So next is the lips, and I'm going to be using the NYX lip liner and the liquid lip from Colorpop with the collaboration with I Love Sarai. I love this shade. It's called Arriba. And yeah, this is going to be the finished completed look. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.